In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo an edit in CapCut quickly and easily. Whether you made a mistake, moved something to the wrong place, or changed an effect by accident, knowing how to undo can save you a lot of time while editing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to undo an edit in CapCut is to use your keyboard. If you're on a Windows computer or using a keyboard with CapCut on desktop, simply press Ctrl and Z at the same time. That shortcut immediately undoes your last action. It works for many common edits like deleting a clip, moving text, trimming footage, or applying changes you want to take back. If you've made more than one mistake, you can keep pressing Ctrl and Z to go back step by step through your recent edits. Now, if you don't want to use the keyboard, CapCut also has an undo button built into the interface. Look just above the timeline in the toolbar area, you should see an undo icon there. Click that undo icon once, and CapCut will reverse your most recent action. This is a great option if you prefer using your mouse or trackpad instead of shortcuts. It's also helpful if you're still getting familiar with the app and want a more visual way to edit. If you accidentally undo too far, CapCut usually has a redo option as well, so you can bring an action back if needed. But for most quick fixes, Ctrl and Z is the easiest and fastest method. So to recap, if you want to undo an edit in CapCut, just press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard or click the undo icon in the toolbar just above the timeline. That's the simplest way to correct mistakes and keep your editing process smooth. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.